There is a black hole closer to Earth than scientists ever expected to find. Not in some distant galaxy, not millions of light years away. Right here, in our own cosmic neighborhood. And when astronomers announced the discovery, the entire internet asked the same question. Should we be scared? Today on Cosmos Unlocked, we're going to answer that. And the truth is far more interesting than the fear. For most of modern astronomy, the closest known black hole to Earth was hundreds of light years away. Then in 2022, everything changed. Using data from the Gaia Space Telescope, a European observatory that tracks the precise movements of billions of stars, astronomers noticed something unusual. A star in the constellation Ophiuchus was wobbling, not because of another star, not because of a planet. It was being pulled by something massive and completely invisible. That something was Gaia BH1, a black hole sitting just 1,560 light-years from Earth. The closest one ever confirmed. But they didn't stop there. In 2023, the same team found a second one, Gaia BH2, about 3,800 light-years away. And researchers believe these are just the beginning. For every black hole we find, there are likely thousands we haven't. Gaia BH1 is what astronomers call a stellar mass black hole. This is the most common type, formed when a massive star, much larger than our Sun, runs out of fuel and collapses under its own gravity in a violent explosion called a supernova. What's left behind is an object with roughly 10 times the mass of our Sun, compressed into a region smaller than a city. The boundary around it, the point of no return, is called the event horizon. Cross that line, and nothing, not even light, can escape. But here's what most people get wrong about black holes. They are not cosmic vacuum cleaners. They don't travel through space hunting for things to swallow. They sit still, following the same laws of gravity as everything else in the universe. Let's be completely direct. No, Gaia BH1 is not dangerous to us. At 1,560 light-years away, that's roughly 14,700 trillion kilometers, its gravitational pull on our solar system is so small, it's essentially impossible to measure. For context, the Moon is 384,000 kilometers away, and its gravity moves entire oceans every single day. Gaia BH1 is so far away, it has less gravitational effect on you right now than a mountain on the other side of the planet. And it's not moving toward us. It's not accelerating in our direction. It's simply sitting in space, orbiting the center of the Milky Way just like our Sun does. Here's a thought experiment that might help. If you replaced our Sun with a black hole of exactly the same mass, Earth would continue orbiting in exactly the same path it always has. Nothing would change, except the lights would go out. The black hole wouldn't pull us in. Gravity doesn't care what shape the object is, only how massive it is. So if it's not dangerous, why is everyone talking about it? Because finding Gaia BH1 forces us to completely rethink how many black holes are hiding in our galaxy. Current estimates suggest the Milky Way could contain anywhere from 10 million to 1 billion stellar mass black holes, most of them silent, dark, and completely undetected. We found Gaia BH1 almost by accident. The Gaia telescope wasn't even looking for black holes. It was mapping star positions. And still, a black hole this close had gone unnoticed for the entire history of human astronomy. Which leads to one unavoidable question. How many more are out there, sitting quietly in the dark, even closer than 1,560 light-years, that we simply don't have the tools to find yet? We genuinely don't know. The universe has been hiding black holes in our own backyard for billions of years, not hunting us, not threatening us, just existing, invisible, silent, waiting to be found. We spent centuries mapping the sky and thinking we understood our neighborhood. It turns out we were walking past collapsed stars without even knowing they were there. That's not a reason to be afraid. That's a reason to keep looking. Because every time we point a telescope at the sky, the universe reminds us that we've barely scratched the surface of what's out there. Most people will never stop to think about any of this. You just did. Subscribe, and let's keep going.